I'm sorry my video got cut off. I just mixed the hydroponic nutrients up in the last video. I'm gonna, post both videos. I'll post both videos so you guys can see. But you guys saw me, if you watched the last video, me mix up 200 parts each, 200 parts each of the micro, grow, and bloom here. 600 parts per million. That's what's already in there. So now I'm just going to take this. Hopefully I don't spill it. I don't really need it because it's still pretty much full, but I made it. So, oh. So it's full. I think there's enough in there to last at least, I would say, shit, there's enough food in there to last, I'd say 45 days, maybe longer. And after the food goes all the way down, I normally fill it up the next time. I'll fill it up with just pure rainwater, like flush it just a little bit. And then that'll last, it won't last as long because there's not food in it. Probably last a month. And then I'll put food in it one more time, and that's it for the season. So maybe two to three refills on this thing for the entire season, and you're done. It can't get any easier than that. I don't care nothing about if it rains or doesn't rain. I don't have to be concerned with if I'm underfeeding, overfeeding, if the right stuff is in my soil, if the right stuff is in my compost. Well, I got big plants, but no peppers, no tomatoes. That means it's too much nitrogen, or vice versa. The plants are short and have all these different issues. I know because I'm using a very well uh, a precise blend of everything these plants, mostly all plants need, and then pretty much any hydroponic nutrient line will do that for you. If I had to, I guess, plug someone, it would be Advanced Nutrients. Advanced Nutrients. You can do this. You can buy the 3-part line and do what I'm doing right here. So, peace.